So Mike, tell us a little bit more about Beggar's Brewery and what we're drinking today.
Well, I just poured you two our Private Eyes, which is a German Dunkelweizen.
Okay.
Kind of a traditional beer. And what else is new? We've got a couple seasonal fall beers coming out. Our Brown Ale. We're going to do two Harvest Ales from a couple different local farms here in town.
Yeah.
Michigan Hop Alliance, and then also Green Wolf Farms, which is just about a mile away from our production facility in town here. So lots of good stuff coming up this fall and winter.
And you have a big event coming up on the 30th?
Yes, that's right. August 30th at the Little Fleet in downtown Traverse City, the first Beggars Fest. We've got music all day, Beggars beer all day long, food trucks, different fun activities. Whole family's welcome. It's going to be a great day.
And where can people get more information about your brewery or what you do?
We're on Twitter, we're on Facebook at Beggars Brewery, do Instagram, and then also at beggarsbrewery.com, or you can email me directly, Michael at beggarsbrewery.com.
All right, thanks a lot, and let's get to drinking some of these beers, huh?
I like it.
All right,
Thanks.
man.